today we are going to start chapter number 4, that is practical geometry. Okay, here no definitions will be there for this chapter, so directly we are going to start exercise 4.1. Clear, student? So construct the following quadrilateral. Here the 4 questions is being given. First quadrilateral is ABC and the measurement of all the sides is being given. Okay, in this quadrilateral here we had given the measurements of all the 4 sides individually, as well as the diagonals measurement is also being given. Suppose we are drawing the rough sketch of a quadrilateral. Okay, then it will be A, B, C and D. So everywhere the measurement is being given. Suppose AB is given 4.5, then BC is given 5.5, CD is given 4 centimeter, and AD that means here it is given 6 centimeter. That means, and AC is the diagonal which is given as a 7 centimeter. Clear? So this is a rough diagram we had drawn. So by using this measurement we have to draw the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. In the same way, for second we have to draw the quadrilateral JUMP. Okay. The name of the quadrilateral is JUMP. Here all the measurements is being given. So using this measurement we have to draw the quadrilateral. In the same way, for the third question, parallelogram MORE, the name is being given and all the measurement is given. Using this measurement we have to draw the diagonal. Here rhombus is given. Since we know that rhombus, its opposite sides are equal, so any two opposite sides is being given. Using this sides we have to draw a rhombus. Suppose this one is a rhombus, this side will be equals to this side and this side will be equals to this side. Okay, suppose its name is BEST. So here BE is considered as 4.5, that means ST will be also equals to 4.5. Then ET is diagonal is given, isn't it? It is 6 centimeter. By using this we have to draw the rhombus for the fourth question of exercise 4.1. Okay, now let's see one by one the solutions of the question. So dear students, step of constructions you have to note down in your copy. Clear? So here is the answer. So what is given in the quadrilateral we are having that quadrilateral ABCD is being given in the question, and these are the measurement which is given in the question. So first step is, this is step of construction. In the first step, draw a line AB of 4 centimeter. Suppose this one is the line AB of 4 centimeter. Clear? Sorry, 4.5 centimeter, not 4 centimeter. We have to draw a line segment with the help of our scale and pencil on your copy, that is 4.5 centimeter. Clear? Name the end points of this line as AB. Now after that we have to draw an arc taking radius 5.5 from point B. That means what you have to take? You have to take your rounder, keep the rounder needle at the 0 of your scale, okay, and measure 5.5 with the help of your needle. So this is the needle 5.5. With the help of your scale you have to measure on the mouth of your rounder. Okay, keeping the needle of your rounder at 0 of the scale and stretching the pencil part of the rounder up to 5.5 centimeter, so that on the mouth of rounder you are having the measurement 5.5 centimeter. Okay, then this rounder measurement you have to keep it at point B. This needle you have to keep it at point B and draw the arc. Clear up to here? Then in the third step, taking radius 7 centimeter, draw another arc from point A which intersects the first arc at point C. Now what you have to do? Keep the needle of your rounder at point 0 of the scale and stretching the pencil part up to the 7 centimeter, so that the mouth of your rounder is having 7 centimeter measurement. Keeping that at point A, here you have to keep the needle and draw the arc in such that it will cut the first arc. Okay, so here we got an intersection point, so we can draw the line. Clear up to here? Then in the fourth step, join BC and AC. So this one is BC and this one is AC. Clear up to here? Now Draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter from point A. Now what you have to do? You have to measure 6 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder with the help of your scale and keep the needle at point A and draw an arc such that it will come here. This one is the arc. Okay. In the same way, what you have to do? In the next step, draw another arc of radius 4 centimeter from point C, intersect at point D. So here what you have to do at point C. Here C is given, isn't it? So keeping the needle at point C, you have to draw the second arc so that it cancels the first arc. Now in the last step, what you have to do? You have to join the entire figure. Clear? So at the end, last step, it is said that joint AD and CD, it is the required quadrilateral ABCD. So have you understood how to draw? So dear student, first you have to draw the line segment AB, then keeping the needle at point B and on the mouth of your rounder you have to measure 5.5 and draw an arc, and the same way you have to measure 7 centimeter as a radius on the mouth of the rounder and keep the needle at A. Draw the second arc so that it cancel the first arc. So we are going to get the point C. Clear? In the same way, you have to measure 4 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder and keep the needle at point C. Draw an arc. Then in the same way, take the measurement 6 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder and keep the needle at point R. Draw the another arc so that it cancels the first arc. Clear? Then at last you have to join AD and CD. So this is the quadrilateral ABCD which you will get. So clear? All of you understood this solutions? Now the second question. In the second question it is said that you have to draw a quadrilateral and the name of the quadrilateral is JUPM. What is the name of the quadrilateral is? JUPM is the name of the quadrilateral. So using this quadrilateral you have to draw the figure. Okay, draw the figure, that means a quadrilateral you have to draw. So this has the name of the quadrilateral JUMP. This is the measurement is being given in the question. So first what you have to draw a line segment 3.5 centimeter with the help of your scale. On your copy you have to draw a line segment with the help of your scale and pencil, and the name you have to give it as J and U. Clear? With the help of your scale you have to draw a straight line segment on your copy, that is 3.5 centimeter. Then after you have to take the radius 4.5 centimeter with center C. What you have to do? You have to measure, this one is the scale, suppose with the help of your scale on the mouth of your rounder you have to measure 4 centimeter, not 4 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder. Clear? On the mouth of your rounder you have to measure 4.5 centimeter. Okay, then keep the needle at point J and draw an arc. Okay, you have to draw one arc like this. Then in the second point again you have to take the radius 6.5. okay, then keep the needle at point U here and draw another arc so that it cut the first arc. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to join the line segment PJ and PU like this. Clear everyone? You have to join the line segment PJ and PU like this. Then after what you have to do, taking the radius 5 centimeter and P as a center, you have to draw another arc. Keeping the needle here, you have to draw another arc. Then after taking the radius 4 centimeter, draw another arc by keeping the needle at point U. First you have to keep the needle at point P with the radius 5 centimeter. Okay, then you will get this arc. Then the same way on the mouth of your rounder you have to measure 4 centimeter and keep the rounder needle at point U. Draw the another arc so that the first arc will be get cancelled. Now join it. Okay, so this one you will get your required solution. Clear everyone? So it is required quadrilateral JUPM. So dear student, try to draw the quadrilateral in your copy. Along with that, it is very compulsory to write the step of constructions for each and every questions. Now, next question we are having. Here in the third part of the question, what it says that given the measurement is being given in the question, that is OR 6 cm, RE 4.5 cm and EO is equals to 7.5 cm, isn't it? Name of the quadrilateral we have to mention as MORE. Okay, now first what you have to do is, first we have to draw a line segment of measure 6 cm. A straight line segment you have to draw with the help of your scale as 6 cm. Clear up to here? What you have to do after that, on your copy you have to draw a 6 cm line segment and label it as OR. Clear up to here? Now measure 7.5 cm on the mouth of your rounder. Keep the rounder needle at the center O and draw an arc. Okay, then in the same way, on the mouth of your rounder, measure 4.5 cm and keep the rounder needle at point R. Draw the second arc. Now what you have to do? You have to join this. This will be the diagonal. Clear? So joining this you will get a triangle shape. That means this shape you will get a. Clear? After that what you have to do? Then again you have to measure 6 cm on the mouth of your rounder, keeping the needle at point E. This one is the point E, so you have to keep the needle at point E and draw another arc. Then after you have to get 4.5 cm and draw another arc, keeping the needle at point O. First you have to keep the needle at point E, then second you have to keep the needle at point O with the measurement 6 cm and measurement 4.5 cm respectively. Clear? Then join it. So this part will be the second triangle. So in this way you have to draw the parallelogram MORE. Clear up to here? The next question number 4. In question number, you have to draw a rhombus BEST. A rhombus name is BEST. The measurement of the rhombus is given as BE is equals to 4.5 cm and ET is equals to 6 cm. These are the measurement given for the rhombus for the exercise 4.1 last question. So here we are having the different measurement for the rhombus. Clear? Now what we have to do? We have to measure it. So first we have to do? First we will draw the straight line of how much? 6 cm. Here we have drawn a straight line. Name of the straight line we will mark as ET as 6 cm. Clear? Then after, draw ET 6 cm and bisect it into 2 equal parts. Draw up and down the perpendicular. That means what you have to do here? What is the half of 6 cm? Half of 6 cm will be how much? It will be equals to 3, isn't it? So keeping the needle at point T and stretch the pencil part of the rounder to this one will be half, isn't it? So more than half, up to here you have to stretch your rounder. Keeping the needle at point T, stretch the rounder more than half and draw an arc at the top and at the bottom. Repeating the same process, keep the needle at point E, stretch your rounder more than half of the line segment ET and draw an arc so that it cancels the first arc. Okay, you know how to draw the perpendicular line. So we have drawn a perpendicular line as I told you beforehand. Okay, beforehand in the previous class 6 also we had already studied this. So you have to draw, first you have to draw a straight line. Let it be named as ET 6 cm. Okay, suppose this one will be the center, this one 3 cm, this is 3 cm. Keeping the needle at point A, stretching the pencil part more than half, draw an arc at the top and at the bottom. Repeating the same process by keeping the needle at point E, draw an arc so that it cancels the first arc. Now what you have to do? you have to draw one straight line which is joining to the arc. Clear? So what you have to do, you have to draw one straight line so that you can join it. Clear up to here? Now after this what you have to do is draw an arc 4.5 centimeter, taking E, since this one is an E, this one is a T. Now with the help of your rounder you have to measure 4.5 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder, then keep the needle at point T, here at point T, and draw an arc. Arc might be, it will either, if it will be stretch up or it will be come down. Okay, suppose here we are having the measurement, then same measurement you have to keep it over here and draw the another arc so that you can join the arc like this. Then the next measurement is being given what? The next measurement in your question it is given as 4.5 itself, isn't it? So draw the same process, repeating the same process. Here also you will get the required answer. So dear student, this is the solution for the question. So try to draw each and every questions with your own. If any doubt is there, please ask me through my WhatsApp number. Okay, so I hope you people understood how to draw the construction. So if you can't able to draw, listen the words which I said. Okay, so that according to my words only try to draw, then it will be not difficult for you. So for today, thank you everyone. Next video I will give you the exercise 4.2. In that exercise also construction part we are going to do. So for today, thank you everyone.